There is a voice inside you, quiet, honest, waiting. It says two things: who you are now and who you could become. Most people let that voice be small. They busy themselves with excuses, distractions, and the comfortable lie that tomorrow will fix everything. This video is for the ones who refuse that lie. This is the map, the engine, and the truth. If you want to become the person you always wanted to be, not someday, but starting today, you'll need clarity, courage, and a method. In the next few seconds, I will show you every step, every trap, and every practice that builds identity, rewires habits, and turns intention into a life others notice. This is practical. This is brutal when needed. This is compassionate when required. Let's begin. Wanting is a wish. Becoming is a practice. Wishes sit softly in the mind. Practices build a life. People confuse desire with direction. Desire without structure is a wind that moves leaves, not trees. The first distinction you must make: are you pursuing an outcome, or are you crafting an identity? When you chase outcome alone, you will constantly fail because outcomes depend on variables outside your direct control. Becoming, however, is identity-centered. It asks, who do I need to be to create this outcome? Hear this now. If you want to be disciplined, you must start by being disciplined in the smallest things. If you want to be courageous, you must take tiny courageous acts daily. Identity compounds. Identity does not wait. Your brain decides who you are by evidence. Every action is a vote for an identity. If you skip your morning promise, your brain stores that evidence and downgrades you. If you keep promises, even small ones, your brain upgrades you. This is the identity loop. It's simple, but people sabotage it in three ways: unrealistic demands, dramatic starts, and inconsistent follow-through. The formula to fix it: tiny actions plus immediate evidence plus repetition equals identity change. We'll implement this with a 5-step protocol. 1. Clarify. 2. Microact. 3. Record. 4. Review. 5. Repeat. Now let me explain them better. 1. Clarify your desired identity in one sentence. 2. Microact. Pick the smallest reliable action that matches that identity. 3. Record the action immediately. 4. Review weekly for evidence. 5. Repeat until the loop becomes automatic. This is how you transform belief from fragile wish to unshakable identity. Your comfort zone is a velvet prison. It feels safe until your life runs out of meaning. The growth you want lives beyond discomfort. But not every discomfort is useful. Some pain is pointless. The trick is to choose productive discomfort. Productive discomfort is the discomfort of learning, facing truth, and expanding capacity. Pointless discomfort is drama, victimhood, or self-punishment. Learn to differentiate. We'll practice a daily discomfort test. Ask each day, does this difficulty build my capacity or feed my fear? If it builds capacity, lean in. If it feeds fear, abandon politely and learn the lesson. This discernment is a muscle. Train it. Habits are the architecture of character. Start with Keystone habits, the few routines that change other areas of life. Sleep schedule. Morning ritual. Movement. Focus block. Reading. Choose 2 Keystone habits and make them non-negotiable for the next 90 days. Make them micro-sized at first. The goal is 100% consistency on small volume. Volume grows later. Consistency cements identity. The person you want to be is also the master of their moods. You will not build a new life from chaos. Emotional regulation is not meditation alone. It is practice. Use labeling to diffuse emotion. I notice anger. Then breathe, reframe, choose. Learn to delay decisions by 3 to 5 breaths when emotion surges. Build a decision matrix for recurring emotional traps: money, relationships, work. The top performers use micro delays to prevent permanent mistakes. You will too. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. That's not a suggestion, it's a lever. Your environment is a force multiplier. Design it ruthlessly. Remove things that make temptation easy. Add cues that make the right action obvious. Surround yourself with 3 types of people. 1. Models, those ahead you can mimic. 2. Mentors, those who've done it. And 3. Mirrors, those peers who hold you to the standard. If you can't yet find those people, become them. Act as if you are the mentor to someone else. The world will respond. Goals give direction, Systems deliver results. Winners don't obsess over the scoreboard. They perfect the system that produces the scoreboard. Your system is your routine architecture plus feedback loops. Build a weekly audit. What worked? What failed? What to adjust? Build a no-excuse restart rule. If you miss one day, you restart immediately. No shame, no narrative. Systems reduce ego, increase output. Here's the 10-minute ritual to begin now. Clarify one identity sentence. Do one micro-action for 3 minutes. Write one evidence line in your journal. Breathe for 1 minute and plan the next action. That's 8 minutes. Repeat every morning. Do this for 90 days. The person you want to become is not a future mirage. It is a consequence of repeated, small, intentional choices made without drama. Finish this sentence aloud. I am the kind of person who succeed in all I do, for example. Say it every morning. Mean it. Then watch how the world reshapes itself to fit that truth. You will be tested. You will be tempted to quit. That's the sign you're on the edge of a new life. Stay. Build. Repeat. When you look back, you won't remember the comfortable nights you skipped. You'll remember the life you forged. Subscribe to MindFlix if you want more structured transformations. Join the movement. Welcome to becoming stronger, wiser, and more powerful than you realize.